Hello everyone, welcome to Red Potato Kitchen. This is Mr. Red Potato. Today I want to share with you all on how to cook chicken rendang with instant rendang paste. Yes, you hear me right, instant. Why am I using instant rendang paste? Well, I believe some of you haven't got much time to cook, and everything must be done quickly without wasting much time. It is easy, time-saving, and the taste is so delicious. Just like the cook from scratch rendang dish. First of all, I'm using this instant rendang paste from Mak Nyonya. You can easily get this paste from the local supermarket. You are free to use any brand that you prefer. Next, you will need 1 kg of chicken meat. I'm using mainly chicken breasts and thighs, cut into small pieces so that they will cook faster. Then, we have 100 grams of kerisik, which is a very important ingredient in rendang. You can easily get kerisik in any local mini market. 200 ml of santan or coconut milk, 300 ml of water, and last but not least, a turmeric leaf or daun kunyit. You will need to cut it thinly like this. Heat your wok with a low heat and pour in some oil. A bit is fine since there already some oil in the paste itself. Now put in the rendang paste and stir fry it until the oil come out. It will take approximately 5 minutes and then put in the chicken. Stir them together for about 5 minutes until the chicken is half cooked. Next, you pour in the santan or the coconut milk. Together with some water. You don't need to pour all the water in the mixture. You can add it in occasionally later. After 5 minutes, you add in the kerisik in the mixture. And keep stirring until fragrant. Remember, you must keep stirring the gravy to prevent it burning to the bottom of the wok. You can always add in more water if you prefer more gravy. Okay, once fragrant, add in the daun kunyit or the turmeric leaf. And stir for about 5 minutes. Then you taste the gravy. You can add in a bit salt to suit your taste, but actually the rendang paste already contains salt and sugar. Well, it's up to you. Once you see your rendang gravy becoming thick and brownish color, that means that your chicken rendang is ready. You can have your rendang together with rice, lemang, or even pulut kuning. Yummy! So, what do you think? It is fast and easy, right? And now it's your turn. Good luck! Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. See you again in the next episode. Mr. Red Potato signing off. Bye.